somebody like Ogenkere decided to go and change the document of breaking. That's the Biafran government in exile. A document that PM himself and Biafran cabinet members and everybody, that those that are supposed to know, are aware of the registration and everything. They made him Ogenkere as a resident agent. But in PM's and Biafran's absence, he sneaked out just to alter that document and place himself as the sole owner of the government. And that had been the issue that Biafrans, hold on against him, though he still believed that he's the owner because he's the resident agent and PM is not here. When you check the time that he made this adjustment, PM was here with us. But is PM aware of the changes? That is no. The same thing has happened now in the DOS. Biafrans know the katakata going on in DOS as we speak because of DOS, forming different, group. Some in line with what Mazagano want, some against. Even though that claim they are in line with Mazagano American, also have issue with Mazagano Americans alliance with PM or supporting PM and all that. Some of them have different opinion about the whole thing, but at the end of the day, Mazagano American remains the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. This video you're about to watch is Mazo Soji, Prince Darlington, exposing what has happened inside the camp of DOS and their group, and how they undermine Mazagano order, pushing their own order ahead of Mazagano order with blackmail and lies. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, today's date is 6th of April 2026. Make sure you like the video, and we are gonna go straight to the program without wasting much time. Let's just listen to Darlington, what he has to say.
To me. So when they terminated the position of Mazen Namdekano as the leader of indigenous people of Biafra,
Hello.
and as the director of Radio Biafra, two at the same time. You guys were only thinking that it was Radio Biafra that Mazen Namdekano was removed. No, including the leader of indigenous people of Biafra on the paper where it was registered in UK. And it is this registration that gave power to every IPOB member, every IPOB family where they are registered in every other country. This one is the principle, the one that empowers all those ones that back it up, that this organization was registered in the United Kingdom. Because when you want to register any organization, you bring out a paper that back it up. So this is if you ask me, I'll call it the hard copy. The hard copy of the registration of IPOB. That is what they played with. That is exactly what they played with. So Mazen Namdekano was facing attack from the documents that gives him the right as the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, without we knowing long ago. Without we knowing long ago. And when they terminated that Mazen Namdekano's appointment, do you know what they did? I will shock you people this night. They stylishly now appointed Radio Biafra as a director. Radio Biafra is not the name of a person. Like they terminated Mazen Namdekano's name as the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Then they now use Radio Biafra to replace it. I'm looking at the documents as I'm talking to you on 19th of January 2022, which looks like the same day that they terminated Mazen Namdekano as the leader. The same day, they now use Radio Biafra to replace Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is why when you listen to China Sanwo-Olu, that is why when you listen to Chike Doziem, that is why when you listen to Emeka Gift, that is why when you listen to Madam Chukwuchukwu, what we hear is that we are building an institution. We are not building an individual. We want institution that will represent us, not individual. Please, confirm it on this comment section. If you have ever heard them say, we are building an institution, we are going to fight to protect an institution, not an individual, then connect it with what I just explained to you now. That they remove the name Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and replace it with Radio Biafra. So the Radio Biafra which they replace in that document is what they want to replace the name Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they are calling it the institution.
Now you see the criminal mindset of some of these people. According to what Darlington said here, they removed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as leader of IPOB and put Radio Biafra. Is Radio Biafra a human being? No. They said he's an institution. But the thing is that, can they actually allow that institution to pilot the day-to-day activities of the group or the movement? The answer is no. Why I'm saying this connected to what that had just happened between Briggy, Ogenkere, and Biafrans. After seeing some people claiming they know better, they don't care about who is going to pilot this movement, because they don't even, their dream, their aim is not about how to achieve the freedom or how to move forward, but who is going to be on the driver's seat, who is going to pilot it. They want to be the one. Do they know the route, how to go? Do they know the direction? They don't know roads, they don't know anything, but they want to be in helm of affairs. Listen and listen very, very well.
In the documents. You cannot play with everybody at the same time. You know the feet. Anytime you hear them say, we are building an institution, we are going to protect institution, we are not going to protect individual. That is because in their plan, I have all the things I'm talking about. I'm looking at the documents right here. In their plan to remove Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as individual, they are replacing him as with Radio Biafra as an institution. That is exactly what these guys have planned long ago, since 2022, and they thought it was going to sell. Little did they know that became Little did they know that these members of the Biafra Vanguard media are in Eba. So for them to woo you into believing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is individual, while IPOB is an institution, they have tried to tamper it in the documents. But because of the hit that they got from Chineke, that they sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they think that, hey, if we continue this operation, if these people find out this thing, it will look like we sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu through. As it stands now, I cannot defend them anymore that they didn't know what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I swear to God, I will never in my life again defend this SDOS, not knowing what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because based on the documents I am looking at, and the dates, and the happenings, the event as it unfolds, as it happened, I came to realize that there is something that is fishy that you that is watching this program should connect. And I listened to Chinasa many times saying,
now, when we say that Ogenkere activities look suspicious, that few days before PM was arrested, he hurriedly got and changed the document. There's no reason, there's nothing that warrant that. Some of you say, he changed it because the after declaration, Ngozi did this and did that. The Afran has not been declared when he changed it. So what do you have to say about it? You know, despite that some people have predicted that PM will be captured and all that, like Chedi Wayawa and his group, Ogenkere did not say anything. Instead, when PM confronted him, what did he say? Remember that video that PM asked him, what do you have to say about all this that Sona Parawa have said so far? He said, my PM, whatever you say stand, you are the leader. That is a word of a pure, hardcore saboteur, a saboteur without any other of repentance in him. That is the statement he made. Am I saying that he's so PM? Not yet. The evidence or the reason to say so is not all that strong for now. Do you understand? But I'm just telling you that that act of changing document looks so real that the person behind it may know what has happened. So it's not easy. It is not easy to just wave it away as if nothing is going on. So let's be real about it. So please, let's hear from Osoji.
That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has refused to come out at the court to tell the whole world that DOS did not know what happened to him. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should use his own mouth, that is their anger. And there are so many coordinators that call me that complain that this is what they are complaining whenever they have coordinators meeting in Europe. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu need to come and open his mouth and say, you people did not know what happened to me. Only God knows why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have not made such speech. Even though Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tell Mazi Benjamin Madupu something that he related to us. But they are not contented because of this their crooked movement in the documents. Biko, asim ko nu buchapụrụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu biko. Ịmara ezigbo afa dị mma toro nu nwoke a bụ ife too much. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is doing something with you and he at a point he stop talking to you, he keep quiet, watching you, just know that you are in danger. Toro nu mi ọgbọ ọgụ ụmụ Igbo. Toro nu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ọgbọ ọgụ ụmụ Igbo niile, ụmụ Biafra niile. May God bless you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
That is from Osoji, and this video is very short, but has a lot to do with what Ogekere has done and the connection between Ogekere and Brigi and all this thing. Now, as I will have it here in the title, Osoji and his group, okay, and the Brigi, okay, USB, Ogekere. Some of them, like DOS, who is not doing what they think that they can do and all that, they don't know that Biafrans are aware of what is going on. They are not aware. They have something in common: changing documents, putting their selfish interest first, targeting fund, and dragging position without knowing what to do with the position. That means you are just doing it to cause chaos. That is why we have it on the title that United States of Biafra is the only way forward. Some people are pointing accusing finger on the USB government, but they are yet to prove their claim. Do you understand? I am not an insider. I am just creating my content, exposing the lies and bringing to you the truth. So some don't like it, some do. But how can you not like it when you already know that what I'm saying is true? Like what we mentioned, Ogekere, go and check what he did after declaration of Biafra and connect it to what Osoji is now saying from the DOS point of view. And we have people working with Ogekere that are also linked to DOS. So you can see the connection, you can see the same mentality, the same behavior, the same mannerism. It is not something that you can just see and turn blind eye away, because the connection is very real. And it's quite suspicious and very dangerous. The IPOB is meant to achieve one thing only: freedom. But when you join IPOB and begin to think that it's about personal gain and what you have to gain and all that, you end up behaving like DOS, you end up behaving like Ogekere, dragging position with the leader of the group. For Mazi Kanu PM to become a leader, Biafra has already torchlight them and find out that they have what it takes to stand as a leader, and they know what they're doing, and their template is not hidden. Can these people do all those things? Can they beat their chest and say, yeah, I can do it better? They're not going to do that because they cannot do it better. The exposition is just to remind you that the only way forward is Biafran declared. I'm going to end it here. Please let me know what you think, and make sure you comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, put your comment on the comment section, and like this video. God bless you and take care of yourself. See you again. Bye-bye for now.